Alright, let's fix Spencer. Very noisy model. Now if you notice there is a problem with the battery contacts, we need to clean because it doesn't work perfectly. Listen to this. If you move it kind of slow, so there is no current, a good current between the battery and the contact, battery contact or terminal. So that's the problem. We gotta fix and clean the battery contacts. So for now, I gotta show and describe the entire process, because it's not only for one person. There are a lot of new subscribers every day, so we gotta show again and describe the entire process. If you want to skip these steps, you can go ahead and skip it, but for now I gotta describe it. Now the problem here is on this gear that is connected on the electric motor. So with the flat screwdriver we just simply remove, and I'm gonna use a new gear, plastic gear, and with a thumbnail we just press it a little bit and then use a part of the gearbox like this one, so you don't hurt yourself. See this? It perfectly works, so you don't hurt your finger. Okay, now as you can see it's a little dirt. We gotta clean it, and once we clean it we add a little bit of grease printer, sorry, and this will help reduce the noise too. Don't forget to put the spring on this gear. Now it's very easy and simple, and you can do it in under 5 minutes. Once you get a little bit of experience, it's only take less than 5 minutes. So again, don't forget to put all your screws. That's why I always put these parts on a table. Sometimes they fly away, but it's easy to find anyways. So take your time. The first time is going to take you maybe 8 to 10 minutes, but as soon as you are familiar with the parts and the process, it will be very easy. Now if you want to find the gears, the replacement gears, look at the link in the description. Okay, now I'm using the toothbrush with a little bit of white vinegar, so that way we will have a clear contact between the battery and the battery terminals, and we don't have the problem that is kind of slow. As you can hear, there is a big difference. Now it's not noisy. Now these wheels need new rubber tires, so I have some spare rubber tires from other models, and you can get these spare tires from other broken non-working models. This is just a demonstration, so you know how it works. Very easy. Now let's put this back together. It's very easy. I mean, for me, I know some kids say, oh no, it's not easy, he's lying, it's not easy. Yes, it is. Just don't block yourself, because some people block themselves. Oh, I can't get it done, but you can. Listen how quiet this model is. Perfect. Now if you see the coupler is hanging, see the coupler right on the right side, it's hanging. There is missing a part right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this screw with a flange. I'm going to call it flange, I think. but definitely we gotta use a drill, and with a little drill bit we make a wider hole, because if we use it as it is, it will not work, it will not fit. I mean, the thread is gonna break that hole. See, right here is working really good, and you will not have the hanging problem. See, excellent. Okay, next video. Take a look at this Edward. This Edward is from Tomy. Unfortunately, you can repair this kind of material. When it turns this color, can be fixed and is easily break. But the good thing is you can find a lot of good parts. For example, the face, if you want to use the parts. And look at the wheels. The wheels are in really nice, good color condition, all the wheels. Now let's look at the tires. Here, the rubber tires, they are in a good condition, fair condition, not bad, and this can be replaced and used for other models. And the coupler right here is one of the worst nightmares, I'm gonna say, for a lot of models, engines. You can find this rubber, kind of rubbery coupler, and it's very strong, not bad. So the thing is that you can use this part also, and battery contacts are really clean. I found this model in a lot. I bought a lot, and I found it as it is. So other thing you can use is the entire gearbox, as you can see right there, the black in the electric motor right there. You can use that part too. Some people might say, oh no, I'm going to toss away this in the garbage, but look at this. I just tested, and it's really quiet model engine. Listen to that. Very, very smooth ride. Now, if you have one of these Tomy Edward, I'm gonna say Tomy Edward, I do not recommend to swap the top of the front, especially the front part, from a Mattel. Using a Mattel on this, it will not fit. I already tried several times and it won't fit. I mean, you can do some trimming and probably work, but you gotta glue it. The Mattel and Tomy are a little bit of the different design, so you can use those parts. If you can, then you are lucky one. But I already tried it, well, a long time ago, not anymore. So here is a good sample where you can get some parts, definitely good parts. And some people might think, oh no, these are not good anymore, but look at this. You got the face, you got the wheels, the electric motor, or the complete entire gearbox is fully working. So we got this coupler is good, battery contacts right here, and the coupler, rear coupler, the wheels, everything, rubber tires, oh perfect, excellent. And look at the metal axles are really clean. Some percent oxidation, but these ones are really good. Well, I hope this was a little bit of information for you, so how you can get good parts, and see you next time.